Alright everybody, a quick warning I have to make for you guys. This video has extensive gore and extensive violence, a lot of stuff. It's Chainsaw Man, what do you expect? But yeah, if you don't like any of this stuff, please click off the video. For you guys who like all the gore, ready to see some idiots dub Chainsaw Man? Because here we go.
I feel like flushing the toilet is overrated.
Flushed the toilet already.
It damn stinks.
Taking a bath is overrated.
Take a bath already.
You smell like shit.
All these humans are so based. Isn't that right, Meowie?
That fucking shit devil doesn't even want to flush.
Yo, Denji!
Oh, there you are, you damn shit devil. This thing damn stinks and it's stuck.
You wanted to touch my titties, remember? So I'll let you have a squish. Fondle him. Oh, come on, Denji. You know you want to touch my calcium cannons, don't you? Ah, feels so good. Alright, all done. No more squishy.
Hold up, that's it?
Denji, watch this.
Ah! 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 Ah!
Denji, kill the gun devil for me.
Yes, ma'am.
There's a devil in this hotel.
January is the most depressing month of the year. I'm not doing this.
I'll do it if I can drink some blood.
Call me senpai.
Ain't no way I'm gonna say
These
that to your
inferior shit
dumbass.
stains are so naive.
Ayako senpai.
Senpai.
Good.
Honestly, why do I have to need to do this? I literally fought the Bat Devil.
I'll give you some motivation. If you beat that devil, I'll give you a kiss on the cheek.
I'm gonna pass up on that. Recently learned something really good. Freaky shit feels better when you know your partner really well. I don't even know your damn name.
Well, if you killed the devil, I'll give you a French kiss. With tongue.
Hey, wait! Don't go running so fast! I've known Himeno for a year. No way I'm letting a lowlife like you get a kiss from her.
Dude, get off me!
Aki, here it comes.
Bruh.
I got this.
This one's mine. Did you see that? The devil was floating in the air. It was just so scared of me.
That was my devil. It lets me use a ghost.
So if I do this, what are you gonna do?
Don't even try. I'll choke you on the spot.
I can't touch it. Fuck.
So guys, I believe that the One Piece is real. What the hell? But we were just on the 8th floor.
Kobeni, do a double peace sign.
It looks like we're stuck here. Must be the devil's power keeping us here.
We're all going to die here. We're all gonna die! My parents forced me to either become a Genshin Impact or Honkai Impact 3rd player. So I had to become a devil hunter instead.
Genshin is mid.
But Genshin won the Game Awards. Stop laughing.
Wait a minute. The time has completely stopped too.
That's great. That means I can go to sleep. Just wake me up when this is all over and we can leave. This place has like the best beds. It would be such a shame if we didn't sleep all night.
Denji, wake up!
So can we leave this place yet?
Sadly not. Basically, everyone has turned into a psychopath. Power's sounding a lot like Kanye right now.
What happened to Power now?
I believe that Hitler was correct. Despite his views, he really cared for the German nation and population.
No,
and did
this is normal
everything to
Power.
fix-
Let me kill that human named Denji if you want to see the light of day again. We want to eat him. Give us his heart.
What the hell?
Denji, let it eat you.
Wait, what happened to all the food we had? Are you the one who ate it all?
No, Denji did.
I figured it out. It's all that devil's fault.
But she's a blood fiend.
Are you teaming up with the devil? We're devil hunters. Are you a spy?
The hell was that?
Himeno, run! Little play resistance. Dog chainsaw. The floor shaking?
Come on, please. Please let it eat you, Denji.
Come on, man. It doesn't need to be this hard. Get down.
Get off me!
First, I was getting kicked in the balls. Now, I got fucking stabbed. But anyways, let the funny chainsaw go brrr.
I'll try and stop the blood because without him, we'd be foodless. Just like how Denji's fatherless.
It's not my fault. It's your fault. You should have just let it eat you, and we could all be free.
Man, why'd you have to do that for me? Once we're out of here, I just don't want to owe anything to anybody anymore. Once we're out here, we're even. Allahu Akbar!
I knew you were alive. Chainsaw! There's no use, Chainsaw. My heart is
Whoa.
A devil?
This is really bad. Denji's losing blood at an alarming rate.
to reconnect
Oh shit, my chickles are in. I need more blood and fast.
You failed. Give up.
Even though your blood might taste like shit. I can see your face with that pain. Just makes me want to tear you to shreds! Yeah! Take that!
Is he finally dead?
Let's go! Feel the pain! Feel the pain! Feel the pain!
Oh my gosh. I can't. I'm going to sleep. Aki, are you dead yet?
This is my home. My life is worth this. Please take it. I'm so sorry.
Are we done already? I still need to prove that Chainsaw Man's better than Jujutsu Kaisen!
Let's go drinking.
Still watching Rent a Girlfriend?
Oh yeah, Rent a Girlfriend is peak fiction.
Back off! The McRib is all mine!
Excuse me. When's my kiss?
Oh, I'm too sober to do it right now. Wait till I get more drunk.
Pochita, I'm getting my first kiss today.
Did I hear kiss? Makima! You kissing someone, Denji?
Hell no!
Huh? You not gonna kiss me?
Hell yeah!
Power, you're pretty smart. What's your IQ?
It's over 9,000!
Huh?
Oh damn.
Makima's watching. Oh, she's watching. But this feels so good. I feel her tongue on my tongue. It feels so good. What is it? It's warm. What is it? Wait. It's something warm. It's not this. It's her vomit!
That's Himeno for you. Put in your mouth where her ass isn't.
That damn Himeno doesn't hold back. I always loved art and went to art school, but had to become a devil hunter to clear my debt. My life sucks.
You think your life sucks? Imagine your first kiss being ruined by a bunch of vomit. It's unacceptable.
Huh? Where did Denji go?
Oh, Denji? Miss Himeno's gonna take him over to her house.
Stepbrother, not there.
Get up, Denji. Let's eat breakfast. Denji, don't talk with your mouth full.
That's what Aki always says.
So, Denji, do you like Miss Makima?
Yep.
Even if she was stepping on you with her bare feet?
Yep.
Even if she treated you as a dog and put you on a leash?
Yep.
Even if it turns out that Miss Makima is secretly the—
Yep.
You didn't even let me finish!
Because it's a manga spoiler.
Fair enough. Anyways, Denji, I'll help you get Miss Makima.
Wait, seriously?
Only if you help me get with Aki.
Why'd you want to be with Aki anyways?
I like his hair.
Fair enough.
Well, now we're more than teammates. We're friends.
Rent-A-Girlfriend fell off. It was solid till about chapter 218 when that weird scene happened. This guy is fucking delusional. Denji, you like this too? The anime looks like my balls after I just
God.
You've made me swallow something with extreme taste. It's neither a human nor a devil. I wish you the best.
No!
5.
No!
4.
No!
3.
How is it damn human? Curse! Kill him right now!
I can't count 0.
Thank God.
You see why you lost now?
I was being too reckless.
At least you gained one more brain cell in there.
Thunder breathing. First form. Thunderclap and flash.
Ghost!
Stop talking. We've only got like 10 minutes left.
Fine then. Make it 2.
Prepare to be the first killed off main character.
Inhale some Kopimaki.
Snake. Swallow it whole.
Oh shit, is that a ReZero reference?
Now here we go, it's the end of the show. Hear them, they're calling.